Hey guys, so today I'm going to tell you exactly why I personally bought this Inspiron all-in-one desktop from Dell, I believe back in 2022, and I still use it every day in my own business. So first of all, I am a designer as well as a content creator who has to edit videos just like this every day. So personally, 27 inches of screen was the main reason why I really wanted this. The second reason why I personally chose this is an all-in-one desktop, which basically means it is a giant laptop. So this does not have to stay here. This does not need a brain that I have to transport somewhere. I travel a lot for my clients, so I needed something that I could also bring with me if I needed to. This has been to Traverse City with me. This has actually traveled all the way to Belize with me. I had to wrap it in bubble wrap to make sure it was protected, but this came with me and helped me host a live stream on YouTube. So this is by far the best computer I've ever had. I've had it for over 2 years now. I bought it in August of 2022. And it's also, this is a kind of a weird thing, but it's also touchscreen. So if you ever need to use touchscreen, or you can actually zoom in and zoom out right there with your fingers. And it also did come with its own mouse as well as its own keyboard. I use this every single day in my business. This is my work from home setup. This camera right here is what I use for YouTube live streams. And you can easily close it instead of having to put tape over it. There are so many reasons why I love this. That's just a few, but I would 100% buy this again tomorrow.